Not every day on the road is full of adventure and ancient ruins. Some days are just real life. We spend most of our time working, editing, planning, and more editing. It's not glamorous, but it keeps everything moving forward. In between, I try to cook proper healthy meal every day and squeeze in a bit of preschool time with Jojo. Lately, the biggest luxury isn't an epic sunset view, it's sleeping on an actual mattress. These days might not make the highlight reel, but they are just as much a part of the journey as the adventures on the road. The boys have started going on short trail hikes every day to give me some quiet time to figure out my part of working on our videos, something I've never done before.
After walking for nearly 1 hour and a half, we reached this fence, which is going to mark the end of our attempt to hike on top of the mountain for today. So we're going to pack it up and head back down to our apartment. It was a really nice walk with a beautiful view, and we encountered lots of different species of plants. We even met some lizards, spiders, and grasshoppers on the way.
And the butterflies.
And butterflies, of course. No?
Že otrhnem.
Natrhni. No, a teraz...
Joj! Joj! To si robíš srandu? Taká veľká púpala.
O, fúkni do pupavy.
Since my job is going to be handling voiceovers and the audio side of our videos, it was finally time to figure out the basics. So today, I made my first voiceover ever.
To je ich dieťatko. Ich dieťatko, toto je maminka. A tá, nie, či toto je tatínko, a tá maminka sa išlo preskúmať.
Tam je.
To má sem pripraviť.
Ty poď sem, Jojo.
Keď tu spraviť.
My sme boli na slovu.
Tam je.
Super! Do kolien! In between days full of work, we snag in a morning family skateboarding lesson and enjoyed the empty streets of Kaš in the early hours. Just us and the wild dogs. After a fun morning skateboarding as a family, we felt like seeing something completely different, so we visited the abandoned Aquapark hotel in Kaš. Once a place full of families and laughing children, now it gives off post-apocalyptic vibes. Walking through it with a child felt surreal, like a glitch in the Matrix. I tried to find out why such a beautiful location was left behind, And the answer was simple. It just wasn't profitable. So they closed it and walked away.
Super.
This place reminded me everything has its time, whether it's a living being or a building. Eventually, the end comes. I'm scared from the night temperatures because now it's around 8 o'clock. It's just 10 degrees now, so I think that at 4 a.m. or 3 a.m. it will be critical.